Hello everyone and welcome back. My name is Sebastian. This is Sharp Programming. Now, last episode we were building a text-based city builder. We're still doing that today, but the last episode, the code for the menu was a little messy, and I understand if some of you, if you went ahead and downloaded it, or just watched the video, didn't quite get what was happening. So I set up a few factors that will be written out on screen whilst we go along on the menu, so you can check what is actually happening when we're doing this. So I also fixed that it will display the options right here, the three options, just right off the bat when you go into the game. So pressing down, it will activate the drop down here, which will show first off the selector locator, as in where we are on a scale of see, it does go to 3, but that really does not matter. Oh wait, actually maybe it does. Yeah, it does matter. Okay, we're gonna have to change that. But it's supposed to go from 0 as city planner, 1 as banking, 2 as statistics, but you can apparently also go to 3. I'll fix that in a minute. But what it will do is it will show you first off where you are on the locator, which is the menu. It will show you out of the 3 options, and then when you press enter, it will have the selection confirmed. It will have it set to the value of the locator. So there you go. So now we can test what it is, which option you pressed enter at, as in which option you want to utilize, as in if you want to go to the city planner, it will know you're at the city planner because it set its value to 0. The issue here is now it goes to 3, so you can also have it confirmed of 3, which will be nothing. And it'll work for any of them, which is good. And the selection from main menu, I was unsure what that was, but that's what actually pops this out, which is pretty useless because we could have just done it with a space. But there you go. Ineffectiveness or inability to see mistakes is a trait in and of itself. So I think today I'll be working on the city planner, where we're going to put down houses and industries and stores and all that. And yeah, I think that was what I'll be doing today. And it's going to be working as an array. So if you have not already, go back and watch the array tutorial if you're unsure of how that works. But that will be utilized to do a screen thingy for all the little houses and things we'll be doing. So that's going to happen today, and you're going to follow along, and it'll be done as a time lapse, so you can watch all the coding and go to the end to see a overview of what we've done and how I've done it. And I will see you all on the other side. Alright, so after, I don't even know, an hour, almost 2 hours I think, of straight programming, I ended up writing out this and having set a lot of values which do very little in the ways of actually doing anything. But now, at least the base for it should be there. It's just about getting everything to work now, which is, you know, always a good start. But like literally, it's the thing is this: like I've been coding all of this, and what it does is it writes out the city's like I don't know what it's called, a city map. Let's call it that. And all these O's would be equal to a house, an industry, commercial, whatever, from one of these things here from the list. And then you would have a right line, which would be above this, and it would say all of these names listed out. And then you'd press Q or E to switch between which one of them you're building, and then you'd press Enter and use the arrow keys to navigate around this map. Press Enter to use that as a building, or to say if you want to build here, you'd have to go down and then, you know, move over there and then press Enter, and also highlight the correct sort of building that you want to build. And then it should be working, but it's kind of screwing me over right now, and it does not want to change anything up, which honestly, I mean, after 2 hours, I'm kind of at a point where I literally give zero fucks anymore. If you've been coding for a long time as well, you know the pain. You know the pain when trying to get something to work and it just does not want to work. So yeah, I would, you know, I would have to sit back and do this again next video and see where that takes us, because I literally got lost in programming this. I really did get lost. I just did it for all this time, not even thinking about doing a video, which is always a good start. So yeah, right now the base is done for it, for the city planning. But maybe I'll go back and let's actually see. Okay, so the cursor position, which is what you change when moving around on the city map with the arrow keys, set to city planner, select selector, and then X and Y coordinates. When you press up, it would move you down, which is not right. When it moves you up, it literally moves you up, and then down and X for that. I don't see why it wouldn't work. Maybe we would need to. Okay, let's actually try this and see if it works now. Because if it works after this, I'm just gonna, you know, go tear a cat apart. Oh no, oh, shit. That got dark. Okay, can I? No. Okay. Well, that completely wrecked it. That's good. We could just put it in. Let's try put it here. This is the last attempt before rage quitting. I'm not rage quitting. Just simply. Okay. Well, there you go. No. Don't do that. Don't do that. Okay. Anyways, I think it's time that we end this episode. I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, then a rating would be much appreciated. Do go ahead and subscribe for more. Now, my name is Sebastian, and this is Sharp Programming, and of course, we're doing the text-based city builder. And I will see you all next episode. Bye, guys.